Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Shades of Madi. Today I'll be giving you a quick control of how I got this flyer. It's very simple and I'll be very quick and sharp with it. So you create a new layer here. I use 2000 by 2000 pixel. That's for the page size. Then I brought in this background. You can see you can decide to leave it blank or bring in background. It depends on your preference. So what I did next was to create a shadow that will look like it's. You can let me switch off all this flare. You can see it's simple and straightforward. So if you use this like this, you can see it's not looking fine at all. So what I did was to, I added below the image, you would create a new layer. Like, let me show this once. A new layer here. On your keyboard, press B for brush. You would use the bracket to increase the brush size. It will foreground color set to black. But what you can also do again, as you come to your brush, you can reduce this one like this. You can see. So you will have, sorry, let me something like this. Yes. So you can increase it. So you can increase the brush size. Have something like this. You can see. Press V to move. So you can even expand more if you want. Control T to expand. So you can even expand like this. You can get different types of texture. You can even bring it closer like this. Then you can shift it up. Just play around it. Nothing too serious. Then now you reduce the opacity to make it look realistic. You can bring it down. So you will apply the same method to this phone here. So to make it look like the phone is standing on something. So it's very simple. Then I added a gradient overlay to the text, and I used the font. Let me load the font. Green regular for the font. Then for the weekend, I used sugar bomb regular for the weekend. Then this is also very simple. It's just a shape, a noise effect. You can see stroke, noise. If I switch off this noise, you can see it's looking different. But if I add noise, it will look kind of. Then you can add drop shadow effect to it too, to make it look more lively. Like you can see that it's like he's standing on something. You can see here, like it's reflecting on this image, on this text rather. So it's kind of looking realistic. So that was how I got this simple design. So it's very simple. So I'll be dropping the PSD file in the link below. Please do well to download it and subscribe. So stay tuned for my other videos. I'll be dropping soon.